You get back, motherfucker. You get back. 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 Back. No. No. Motherfucker. I just had to shoot this fucking mountain lion. They fucking pounced at me and I popped it in the fucking face. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. That's young. Stupid cat. I shot it right in the face. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. I'm creeping up right through here. I mean, look at this. One, like that's where he was at. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5 yards. Maybe 5 yards. And I told him over and over, get back, get back, get back. No, don't do it. And he reared back. And I had my Glock on him and I was about to pull the trigger, but I was hoping he would leave and he freaking went to pounce. Oh my god. I hate to do it. I don't want to do it. Never know, guys. You never know. Always watch what you're doing. Pay attention. Watch your back. Wow. Look at that. Such a pretty creature. So pretty. Hate to do it.